Hi everyone, this is Lauren with the Central Arkansas Library System. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how you can access the International Encyclopedia of Dance from the CALS website. The International Encyclopedia of Dance is one of the many great resources that we offer at CALS. And so right now I'm on our CALS homepage, which is just cals.org. Whenever you load onto it, you might not have this exact same screen, but all of the tabs up at the top should still be the same. So for this purpose, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click Learn, and then you'll see three tabs: Research, Resources, and Online Learning. For this, we're going to click Research Tools. Now you'll see that this pulls up all of the research tools that we offer, so you have two options to navigate to this database. You can either scroll on the left side and you'll see that everything is in alphabetical order, or you can search research tools by subject. For this purpose, I'm going to go ahead and do that since it'll be a little bit easier. Encyclopedia of Dance is going to be underneath Art. However, if you aren't sure, you can just search by name. I'm going to scroll down a little bit until I see it. So here we've got the International Encyclopedia of Dance. It's going to be under the Oxford Encyclopedia of Theatre and Performance and above the Grove Encyclopedia of Decorative Arts. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just hit Go to International Encyclopedia. Okay, so whenever you get onto the International Encyclopedia, this is what it's going to look like. You'll see that it's relatively like Wikipedia and how you can search for the different topics that you're looking for. So say I wanted to do research on ballet, I have two options to search. I can either go to the B and then scroll down just a little bit until I found ballet, and I can click on that there. Or if I have a longer topic that might be a little harder to navigate using this, I can also just type it here. So I'm going to type ballet and hit go. All right, and the first thing that it pulls up is ballet. If you were looking for a specific topic underneath ballet, you would likely find it here, but for this purpose, I'm just going to look up regular ballet. Okay, so this is what it pulled up on ballet. This is a little excerpt about the genres of Western theatrical dance. So it gives you a whole bunch of information about the beginning of ballet. And at the very bottom, one of the reasons that I like this resource so much is because it's great for academic purposes, as it lists the bibliography, also known as the citations that it used for this work. So you can trust that it is credible research. Some other things to note is on this side where you can see things like more on this topic related content and related overviews. More on this topic is going to give you more information, of course, about the topic of ballet. Related content is going to cover content, of course, related to ballet. So we see here we've got like avant-garde dance, ballet technique, modern dance technique. You can click on all of those. Say I want to know more about ballet technique, I can click on that. Will take me right to that page, and of course I can get more information. You can kind of go down a rabbit hole using this system, because as you click on more terms, it'll bring up even more related content and related overviews. Of course, just like the regular ballet search did, it gives me all of the citations for my work. So that's one of the main things that you can use this Encyclopedia of Dancing for. Another type of Oxford reference, if you go back to our art archives, you'll see the Oxford Encyclopedia of Theatre and Performance is another Oxford encyclopedia that you can access from our website. One more important thing to mention is whenever you access this resource, it's important to come up to the top and check to make sure that it still says automatically signed in from the Central Arkansas Library System. If you try to access this database by just going to oxfordreference.com, it likely won't pull up on your computer or may ask you to sign in. So it is best to go and access this resource using the CALS website and using the methods that I showed you. One last thing to mention is if you find some information that you would really like to have and not have to access on the website itself, you have the options up here to print it out. You can save it to your computer using this one. You can cite this work, which is once again great for any type of academic work or references that you need. You can also share this article with, say, if you're doing group work or group projects, you can share this article or whatever you're referencing with other people, and it can just make it really easy to share information. And lastly, this little plus mark gives you the option, of course, to send it to Facebook, Twitter, to email it to somebody, which is pretty much the same as this one, but it is still an option. And then if you click on more, you can see that there's even more options here to upload it to a different social media site or to send it to someone. So if anyone has any questions or needs further assistance on how to use this research database, feel free to email me at ledixon@cals.org, and I'll do my best to help.